everyone, welcome to the Singlish Diva. This is Adiola Naomi and I'm bringing to you a new series as part of the Mindfulness May series, and also just a little surprise that I promised last week around the month of masturbation in collaboration with Chakrubs, a company that creates sex toys from crystals. And the name Chakrub is actually derived from the word chakra. Chakra literally in Sanskrit means energy center, and one of the aims of Chakrub is to help all women out there reconnect with their sacredness and their femininity by using these beautiful tools of nature, which are crystal, and create sex toys that are made 100% from these crystals. So you have sex toys with no batteries, and just like connects you also to nature, connects you to your divine self, helps you through your journey to oneness and sacredness, and it's beautiful. So when we reach out to them, actually, because a lot of people have been asking me about, I use yoni eggs and crystals a lot, so I've been getting questions. I'm like, okay, I need to reach out to a company that aligns with the ethos of the Singlish Diva and also want to sponsor this video, and they did. So they sent us this beautiful box. Let's start with, so it will be a series of 5 videos in this month that will be out, so I break them down and I'll just let you know for episode 1 what are we talking about. So we're going to talk about what is Chakrubs and what are yoni eggs. So one of the things that I received from Chakrubs for this is a yoni egg. So this is the rosebud from Chakrubs, and it's a yoni egg made with 100% rose quartz. I've used yoni eggs before. I use a lot of different types. I have different type of yoni egg, but when I went to the Chakrubs website to choose the one that I want from them, I was drawn to this one. So this is a drilled, it's actually drilled, so basically that's why it came with thread. This is a natural thread, hemp thread, but I don't use thread because I love using my yoni egg with no strings. I actually prefer undrilled ones, but I was sent this one and I actually appreciate it. So yoni eggs are eggs made out of pure crystals that can be used in your yoni, and yoni is the Sanskrit word for vagina. Basically what yoni egg has been happening in histories and centuries and centuries, and actually it's more of an Asian tradition. East Asian nobles and empresses use it to help them with their vaginal canal, and also just like tighten the muscles around the vagina and help them in their orgasm and also in their femininity ritual. So it's kind of a royal ritual, but we're very happy that the tradition has been passed down to generation and generation, and now we're here and we're also using the same eggs. So this is not really my first yoni egg, so I can tell you more about different type of yoni eggs that I've done, but to focus on the specific video, I'm gonna focus on the rosebud. Why choose this? I actually have a collection of questions people have already asked me. What are the benefit of Chakrubs and yoni eggs? So the aim of Chakrub is to help you use crystal in sex toys, and you can check the website. They have more information about different type of a wide range of sex toys, Chakrubs products, and yoni eggs, and just crystals and amazing things. But what are the benefit of this yoni egg, specifically the rosebud, which is made from 100% rose quartz, is meant for the heart chakra. So the heart chakra is the center for love, unconditional love towards yourself and towards others. And I choose this actually because I didn't choose it, it chose me. So one of the questions is, people ask me, how do I choose one? For me, with this specific one and with all my yoni eggs and crystal, I always allow them to choose me. So what I did was I went to the Chakrub website, look around, and just felt very drawn to this one. And this is a very good stone. The rose quartz is actually a very soft and gentle stone that stimulates self-worth, self-love, self-awareness. It helps you with your vaginal muscles and tighten them. A lot of people do kegels to them. Whenever I wear mine, I do yoga. I wear them around the house. I wear them around my daily life. Of course, there are funny moments where you sneeze and the yoni kind of ready to pop out, and you're just like, okay. So this is the medium size. There are various sizes. There is a larger size, there is a smaller size. It depends really on if you've given birth and what your body needs. The benefit, again, I'm saying it helps you heal from sexual traumas, from fear, resentment towards yourself, reconnect to yourself. A lot of women don't actually have any relationship with the vagina. This crystal, the yoni egg, is a stone of love, and it really, you know, there's some power in terms of like inserting it and then working around. Like, of course you don't feel it. Sometimes it just go unnoticed, but it still doesn't mean that your muscle, like your vaginal muscle, is tight around it and always like work around it. So it's tightening up. It really helps with your orgasm. As a person who's been using it for a long time, I have to say it really help you connect with yourself in terms of sexuality and sensuality, and just embrace the goddess that is in you. Yes. The next question I would like to answer is, why do I need one? Why do I decide to get them? Was it just a spiritual or physical or change or both? So a lot of people that me are yoni just for the chaos. Like, a lot of people use them for physical benefit, just to tighten their vaginal muscle. But there is always should be a balance between tightness and looseness. Like, I feel like you don't need to tight too much, because a lot of time when you have too tight muscle, then it really affects, like, you have to learn to let loose also. So for me, it's not about the physical, and as a yoga therapist, I don't teach yoga for the physical benefit of it. I choose for the spiritual and mental benefit. So for me, I chose yoni egg, especially this one, because I really wanted to work on myself eternally, on the love that I put in the universe and the love that I release and take and get from it. You know, a lot of time people just put in and never take and receive, and for me it's more about spiritual connection of, I want to be connected with my body, I want to love my body, I want my body to feel love, and I want to work on my heart chakra. So a lot of time when I wear this one, I do a lot of back bends and energy work around my heart for the heart chakra. So it is mostly for me for spiritual benefit, but you can use it also just to firm your area, and also for a lot of time mentally it helps me deal with anxiety a lot and depression. And sometimes I don't even need to wear it. Like, I just hold it and feel the vibration and say my affirmation: I am love, I am full of love, I am loving, I am lovable, I deserve love. And yeah, so that's it for this video. See you next week with the second episode, and have a wonderful day, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video, and please visit Chakrubs. I'm gonna leave the link below on their website, and check out their rosebud and all other kind of yoni eggs they have. They have one in black obsidian, they have amethyst, a very favorite stone of mine. Amethyst is amazing. Carnelian. There's a lot of different kind of stone that is available on their website, and we're really happy that we collaborated to bring you this series. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye.